Try some more cereal. What is that stuff, huh? What is that stuff? You want some more? What do you think?
It's kind of puzzling,
Gourmet?
isn't it, Abigail?
Gourmet? Is it gourmet? So it needs some garlic. Needs a little garlic. Come here. You ready for more? Huh? Whoopsie. The yummy stuff. You ready for? Come on. There we go. Open wide. Oh, big girl. Good job. You're getting it, aren't you?